Maybe we got to start roping in some like Food Network stars.
Like
who's the one?
Well, we're doing barbecuing. We've got to talk about
I know.
Bobby Flay.
And Guy.
Ooh.
What's his slogan?
Or was he?
Oh, that's the spiky hair.
No, that's Mario
It's Mario
Batali.
Batali.
Oh no, don't slander Guy.
Is Mario Batali the one with the long ponytail?
He's
Yes,
a really
he's
big
with
redhead
the
that wears the
balding
Crocs.
ponytail.
What did he do?
Nothing
Who knows?
good.
Some sort of masturbation thing.
Ew, was it? Like a
All
Louis
those,
C.K.
yeah,
incident?
I feel like all those like
They're all the
large
same.
redheaded men.
Who wouldn't want to guest star on our show? We have like
Julia Child.
Julia Childs has lost stuff. But we can try. When did you guys get started here?
So the project got started with my husband, Kevin, who's a chef, and his former boss, Jason, and it was their dream. They both worked at Cantinetta Luca and in Carmel, and they both loved sausage making, salumi, and meat, this was their dream to kind of open up the shop.
So the dream was always a butchery, basically.
Yeah,
a
butcher
meatery.
shop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. So where do you source your meat from? Like, where does your meat come from?
So it's all over. So we work with some local ranches. We work with Mary's in Carmel Valley for her pigs.
All right.
We work with Fog Line Farms for their chickens in Santa Cruz.
Chicken is unbelievable.
I know. I should
Yeah,
try.
of
We use
course.
Mary's chickens as well. There's a ranch in Chico called Llano Seco pork, and so we get half hogs in to butcher.
Right. So, and you do prepared food here as well, right?
Yeah, so on the weekends, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we'll do, we have a pulled pork sandwich, which is, available on Thursdays.
Wow.
And then Friday we do brisket, ribs, sorry.
Ribs, okay.
And then
Either way,
Saturday's
delicious.
brisket, and then tri-tip.
Okay.
And then like today, we're doing our quesadilla tacos specials.
which we're
We'll do
very
fried
excited
chicken
about.
specials. And then kind of, we used to love, pre-COVID, we would do pop-ups, the
Right.
ramen pop-up and stuff. So we've kind of limited ourselves on that
Yeah.
because of that difficulty of making everything to
Right.
go.
Yeah.
But trying to get more people in, more reasons to come in,
Right.
and more options to buy. So we're really focusing now on like soups and sides. So if you're buying the steak, we're going to have some truffle risotto for you or a farro dish ready so that you don't have to do as much. Trying to make sure it's not just a special occasion place to come visit, but an everyday place to come get your items.
Well, I'm sure Seaside and Monterey in general is absolutely thrilled to have this here.
Yeah, thank you.
So Gina, could we get a package of the linguica and the Toulouse? Oh, I've got to try the baker's bacon. Should we get the banh mi?
The Banh Mi? Absolutely. Are you kidding me?
Oh, damn.
I am. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. A Banh Mi with roasted pork belly?
Yes. Yes.
Ugh.
Okay, we're getting that.
Wait, you know what I want to learn how to do? I want to learn how to jerky.
Yes, please.
Yes.
A banh mi, yeah. Wait, what?
I want to learn how to jerk.
Okay.
What do you call it if that's what it's called?
Wait, what are you pointing at even?
I'm pointing at the beef jerky.
Okay, I want to learn how to jerk.
What do you call it?
Okay, I can't.
It's called beef jerky. It's the process of jerking.
I don't think that is the I don't think that's what it's called.
We're gonna ask her.
We're gonna look this up. No, we're not asking her that. It's too inappropriate. So, can you teach me how to jerk? So, can we ask you, how are you cooking that?
Smoke it and then braise it.
Oh,
my gosh.
gosh.
It's
That looks
smoke.
amazing.
How do you smoke?
Do you have a
like
smoker?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
You know, just blowing cigarette smoke.
We know that little about food.
Exactly. How do you get the smoke in it?
You're like, they'll never know. We're talking about it on air. Thank you.
Of course. Thanks so much.
We're home. We're ready to eat.
Delicious sandwich.
We're hiding from our toddlers so they don't see us and then try to eat all our food. No, I'm kidding.
A Banh Mi sandwich with pork belly. I'm like overjoyed.
Tempted, I was tempted, tempted by your smile. I was tempted, and for a little while I was.
One shot.
Do you think we need to explain to the viewers that we live in the same compound? Or they're just like, we just hang out a lot?
We're home.
People don't know that we live in the same property. I know, but most people don't live next door to their, next door to their in-laws, you know?
No. Yeah, of course. Well, I mean, do they really need to know that?
I mean, if I was watching it, I'd be like,
Where do they live? Get it.
ooh, okay. But that'll take the longest. So we close it now? Is that what you do with grilling?
I think
Or should we
so.
put the sausages on too and then just take the sausages off sooner so we have something to eat?
No. You gotta have everything ready at the same time.
We're just gonna have to stand here for 20 minutes talking to each other?
Drinking.
Anyway, this
delicious
cider is delicious. Cheers. We'll do our... No, but really, this is delicious. It's
It
from
is
Corralitos
extremely
in Santa Cruz County.
At the
This is
barbecue.
why we go out to places that have food that's already made.
No,
I'm-
it's all about the experience.
You know what's a little ridiculous? That we were doing an episode on grilling when Rach and I didn't even grow up eating meat. And you ate meat, but you weren't barbecuing and stuff, were you?
I didn't eat meat for like 15 years.
When you were a kid?
I was a I was a kid.
Yeah.
No, we didn't. I mean, we jerked.
Not again.
Okay, that is definitely called jerk.
But would you make it on a grill?
No.
No.
No, Jamaicans don't have just like. Typically, Jamaicans don't have like grills just kicking about their
Oh.
residences.
Okay. Bon appetit. Well, not yet, because Rach needs to sit down, but.
Yes. All right.
Whoa. Do you want to do the honors?
What is? Oh, the steak.
Yeah, the steak.
Mom.
Wait, what?
Ooh. See, in Jamaica we say, everything cook on Korea, don't in a hurry.
What does that mean?
It means everything is ready to eat, but really what it means is everything is like okay, like everything's
Aww.
good because food is here.